I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Updating your profile details on Payoneer is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Payoneer website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to proceed to your account settings. Step 3. Select Profile Information. In the Settings menu, find and select Profile Information. This section allows you to edit your personal details. Step 4. Update your details. Make the necessary changes to your profile, such as your name, address, or phone number. Ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Confirm changes. After editing, click the Save button to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email once the update is processed. Remember, if you change your email address, check your inbox for a verification link to finalize the update. Happy updating!